Come with me and my little brother to set up a birthday gift for his girlfriend. So first we went to Sephora. She reposted this one perfume like a few months ago, but they didn't have the one that she liked in stock, so we just went to Kendra Scott. She's a gold girl, and he found this super cute gold necklace with the white heart, and he got it for her. He was so happy. We went to Bath and Body Works, and he got her a bunch of like vanilla scented things because he said that's her favorite. He said tulips are also her favorite, so we got a bunch of those. This is him like walking carrying the flowers. At Walgreens we got some stuff to like pack the gift with, and then I started making the bouquet. First I cut the stems and like took off some of the big leaves that were on the bottom, and then I started like putting everything together. I didn't go to school today and he did, so I just did this for him so that when he got home it would be ready and he could go like straight to her house. I love tulips. They're also my favorite flower, and I was looking at this and I was like, oh my god, this is actually precious. Then I look over and my puppy's like chewing on one of the flowers. Look at her, like her innocent little eyeballs. She is so cute and I'm in love with her. I was thinking of using like a paper bag, but that did not look good at all, so I started using gift like tissue paper, if that makes sense, and that I liked. By the way guys, at the end of this video you'll see like her reaction when he walked into her house and gave it to her. I put some pink paper and some white paper, and I don't know, I just kept adding it until I felt that it looked good. And I put some more pink paper around like the base, and I put a little string, I don't know, like to tie it all together, and this is the final look. I think it is super cute. I don't know, it's like not the best, but I tried. And here is the basket. He also got her like a little stuffed animal of a pineapple, he said, and she loves pineapple, so this is like everything that he got, and this is him walking to her, giving it to her, and they were so happy. And I don't know, this is just so cute.